Hey guys, it's Mike White. This is my Eastern Tramp bike check. Start with the frame. Eastern Tramp 20-inch frame with 14 millimeter dropouts. Integrated head tube. I got Animal Edwin grips and bar ends. Bar ends are kind of crappy. Yeah, fell last week. Odyssey mono lever, black, medium. Animal illegal liner cable. Eastern choker first stem. FBM Big Ape spars. Little Eastern logo there. Yep. Snafu UL race forks in black for my friend Drew. Odyssey Path tire front. Nitrous single shot front rim. Well, front wheel. Yeah. Animal integrated headset with one spacer. I got a correlation mechanics seat in red, little robot. It's awesome. You can't really see it, but you got Shadow Conspiracy seat post pivotal. Yeah, little slit right there. Stolen Clash ring sprocket. KMC K710 SL chain in red. Redline flight cranks in chrome. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, black. Diatec Hombre brakes. Yep. Fit FAF tire on the back. And we got a Odyssey JPEG Lite one, and the front one is a screw-on peg. Yeah. And nitrous double shot back rim. Yep. And this is my bike. Thanks for watching. Peace.